Starting today, NVIDIA's Shield devices are getting a revamped user interface, similar to what we saw come to other Android TV devices in February. The biggest change is a new Discover tab, which features content recommendations grouped by genre. The All Apps screen has also been tweaked. It's now simply called Apps and uses a full screen layout that NVIDIA says shows more apps at once. The new design appears to have drawn inspiration from the Google TV software on last year's Chromecast. They're not identical. Google TV has the Recommendations Focused For You tab as its home screen, for example, but there are obvious similarities. Most notably, the large circular app icons on the left side of the display have disappeared, and NVIDIA's screenshot also shows a large promotion for Disney's Loki at the top of the home screen, replacing the blank space that was there before, which many might find annoying. Signs of the redesign appeared back in April, when 9 to 5 Google reported that a screenshot of the new design briefly appeared in the Play Store listing for the NVIDIA Games app. NVIDIA says the update should start appearing today, with the rollout expected to take around a week in total. Customers in the US, Canada, UK, France, Germany, and Australia will get the new UI and Discover tab, while those in Italy and Spain will only get the new UI.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.